My shadow started living without me. It started subtly. One evening, I noticed my shadow didn't match my movement. I raised my hand. My shadow was a second late. I blamed the light. The next night, it happened again. This time, my shadow smiled. I didn't. I laughed it off. Stress, sleep deprivation, imagination. But shadows don't imagine. Every night after that, it grew bolder. Sometimes it leaned when I stood straight. Sometimes it stayed behind when I walked away. One night, I turned off the lights. My shadow stayed. I froze. It slowly lifted its head and looked at me. I whispered, "That's not possible." It whispered back, "Neither are you." After that, people started changing. My neighbor waved and said, "Nice to see you out so late yesterday." I hadn't left my house. My phone showed photos I never took. Me standing at places I'd never been. Always at night. Always smiling. Always with a shadow darker than the rest. I stopped sleeping. At 3:12 a.m., I heard my front door unlock. Footsteps moved through the hallway. I watched from my bed as my shadow peeled itself off the wall. It stood up. Same height, same shape. It turned and looked at me. "You're tired," it said. "I'll handle things now." I tried to scream. No sound came out. It walked into my body like smoke into lungs. Cold flooded my chest. I felt myself flatten, stretch, stick to the floor. I was pressed against the wall. Thin, silent, watching. Morning came. My body got up, brushed its teeth, put on shoes. Before leaving, it glanced at the wall. At me. "Don't worry," it said softly. "You'll always be with me." The door closed. Silence. Then I felt it. Hands. My hands. Pressing me flatter. Smoother. Thinner. Until I was nothing but darkness. Morning light filled the room. My body woke up. But something was wrong. The shadow on the wall didn't move with it. It lagged. It watched. The body froze. Slowly it turned and screamed because I wasn't behind it anymore. I was in front, standing, smiling. Now I understand the truth. Shadows don't follow people. They practice. And tonight, when the lights go out, I won't be yours either.